Let's take a look here at the Vodana curling iron. So this is a curling iron that has, I think, a really good solid feel to it. Nice color, and then we've got this sort of steel piece on here, and everything feels, pretty good quality on this. As you can see, we're able to plug it into the wall over here, and then we've got our on-off switch. A little basic on this switch. It's literally just like a little toggle switch on there. But overall, I think the styling on this is pretty nice, and again, pretty good performance on that. You also have the ability to adjust the temperature on here. Again, this is a little challenging, like you need to have very small fingers really to get in there, but you can adjust and set the actual temperature in degrees Fahrenheit on here. So you can dial in exactly what you want on the curling iron. And otherwise, you've got your same basic functions on there. Obviously, this gets hot during use. You've got a little kind of leg you can put out underneath here, so you can put it down on a surface even when it's heated up. Overall, I think, pretty good quality on this Vodana curling iron.